Okay, in this video, I'm trying to show you guys why it's not a good idea to print 3D printed masks unless you really know what you're doing. And as you can see there, it's kind of hard. But as the light hits the plastic, you should be able to see holes. Now, if you can see holes with your naked eye, then you know that there's going to be particles that can pass through. And it's kind of evident right there. Here you guys can see it when the light hits the plastic. Right now it's not, you can't really see it. But when that's why I don't like FDM printers in general, especially Cartesian style, because the build plate keeps moving, so it's hard to show what I'm trying to say. But there, you should be able to see light passing through, and that means that it's not fully sealed. So unless you're painting and coating and sanding things down, if you create a 3D printed mask and wear it, it's not going to be of any use to you at all. Anyway, that's something that's important for you guys to understand about 3D printing, and don't just go out on Thingiverse and grab the first 3D printed mask, print it, and wear it like that. There's a lot of work that goes into making sure that it's safe. Anyway, hope this helps you guys, and see you in the next video.